Hey, here's Ralf with Stray Benzes. A mini episode of what to do when these small little retainer clips bust. I'll show you what I did. Here we are. That's the retainer clip for the ABS sensor. Those tend to bust off. Here it's still okay. Here it isn't. So what you do is you take a zip tie and you loop that through the brake line holder. You put this one in, zip this tight, and it's fixed. And that's what the final result looks like. Looks pretty cool, huh? Works pretty nice. The yellow and the red tag is pretty much indicative of where those wires are supposed to be clipped into the holder. And that is it. Give the channel a like and share.